back to the Magic with Soul Bride channel. Very meet to you all. I'm so glad you're here. I have a different kind of video for you today. I usually do tutorials, but this is just a look-see. I'm going to perform a ritual to pray away anger. There's a certain group of people in this country right now that are breeding hate and violence, and I would like to put out some loving energy and hope that some of them will learn to love and maybe even come across the aisle. So I'm going to do this ritual. It's a blessing, a simple blessing, and I'm not going to speak throughout it. I'm just going to perform the ritual so that you can witness a true ritual in its true form in real time. So to get started, I'm going to smudge, and then you'll see the rest. Element air, I call you from the east to aid in this ritual with power unleashed. Element air, please join my circle. Marry me, air. Element fire, I call you from the south to aid in my ritual with power throughout. Element fire, please join my circle. Marry me, fire. Element water, I call you from the west to aid in this ritual with power so blessed. Element water, please join my circle. Element spirit, I call from within, aid in my ritual beginning to end. Element spirit, please join my circle. Very meet spirit. As I forgot to mention when I was actually doing the ritual, when I bind my circle with salt, I actually have taken some of my love salt and mixed it in with a big bag of regular full moon blood salt, because that is appropriate for this ritual, because it's not a romantic love, but we're putting loving energy out into the world. So I used my love salt, and you'll see me burn the love potion that I make. And you can get all of this in my kit. You can get the love salt alone at my Etsy shop, SoulBrideKitsnTools, or if you order a kit, you'll most likely get one of these small bonus item love salts. So those are in the spell along with my love potion, and let's get back at it. Pray away your anger. Let your days be merry as the sun browns your skin and evokes the brilliant light within you. We pray that your nights come upon you after a long day of joy and happiness. We pray for love to grow within you and for your spirit to chase away all of your misconceptions about souls which may not be exactly as your own. Let the full moon light dissolve your fear of those who you think you know, yet you do not understand the world in which they live. We pray that you begin to try. We pray that your thoughts change as you open your mind and become one with the world which surrounds you. We ask that you find the courage to accept those whom you may fear and become better acquainted with the courage to walk a mile in their shoes. May the spring rains wash you with hate and malice, and the green earth inspire you to replace them with love, tenderness, and compassion. We hope that you will change with the winds, put down your instruments of hate and violence, and instead sing a melody that soothes you deep within your soul. We pray you to use your extreme passion to seek knowledge and look to the world for truths instead of falsehoods. And may you judge them with your earth-given talents of common sense and basic human logic. Above all, accept that we love you, even though you lash out at us. And may you understand that in the end, we are all in this together. To you, from me, may you always blessed be. Rose quartz for love and compassion. Thank you, Spirit, you may part my circle. Thank you, Earth, you may part my circle. Thank you, Water, you may part my circle. Thank you, Fire, you may part my circle. Thank you, Air, you may part my circle. Air, fire, water, earth, and spirit, Mary meet, Mary part, and Mary meet again. Here at last, my spell is cast. And that's how simple a blessing / ritual can be. You can add to it, you can take from it, you can make it yours, because that is the beauty of witchcraft. You are blessed to be an individual, and your craft should flaunt that. So take all this, make it yours, and go do beautiful, magical things. Blessed be.